Meanwhile, KwaZulu-Natal law enforcement agencies say they're better prepared to deal with the EFF demonstrations on Monday compared to their response to the July 2021 unrest. The Provincial Justice and Security Cluster briefed the media earlier in Durban, where they were reminded about their failures 2 years ago. Newzroom Afrika's Karinda Jagmohan has more details.
After hefty criticism for their response to the July unrest, police in KZN say they're better prepared.
In 2021, we were faced with something that was not planned. It was the arrest of the former president, which turned into something else. This one, we know of the announcement has been made by a political party, and the threats that the political party has made, communication that has been issued, and as is, we are busy building up a case docket in that regard by getting statements from all those people that feel aggrieved and those people that have been affected, those feel threatened, and we also going to be on standby to see any action that is going to happen as a result of the plan from that political party, so that we can be able to have a solid case. We're doing this guided by the prosecution, so that when we present a case in court, if something does happen wrong, we can then have a solid case. So that's a difference between what is happening this time around as compared to 2021.
More than 18,000 police officers will be deployed across KZN's national key points, critical routes and hotspots for violence. The army has also been activated.
We are in a combat mode. As it is, we are not in a service mode. So which means the citizen will need to forgive us because we might be a little bit tougher on the street as we are in a combat mode. So we are combat ready. All forces in the South African Police Service, working with all other law enforcement agencies, including the military, who's going to be on the ground.
Police say any perpetrators of violence will be arrested.
The behavior or the magnitude of threats that are leveled against this shutdown perhaps differs from the other shutdowns that we've had in the past. Other South Africans that will have wanted to conduct shutdowns, they will want to respect the law. But this time around we are hearing pronouncements publicly that this shutdown will cause people not to move, will cause institutions to close, will cause people to be attacked if they move around, which means it's no longer a shutdown, it's anarchy. That's how we view it as law enforcement. So as a result, as I said, we are in a combat mode because we feel that this is an attempt to overthrow government to some degree.
For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Durban.